Looking for peak performance and show-stopping looks? US Radiator delivers the cooling you need, and Concept One provides the ultimate pulley system. Level up your ride. And hey, for more awesome builds and insights, hit that subscribe button for ScottieDTV. Eugene?
Yes.
How are you, brother?
Doing great. How you doing, Scotty?
Oh, good. Glad to have you back again this year.
Yeah, good to be with you, man.
Awesome. What'd you bring?
So we've got a 73 Dodge Dart for owners Jake Dorman. It's a 6.4 Whipple supercharged HEMI in it with a Tremec TKX 5-speed. It's got a Curry 9-inch rear end in it and wheelwood brakes all the way around. Lots of custom mods. We custom built the hood scoop to clear the HEMI and tucked all the bumpers, flushed the brass, the normal mods for Pro Touring type stuff, I guess.
Is it on a chassis?
No, it's a unibody car, but we put a Control Freak suspension under it, front and rear. They're out of Florida, good company.
What color is it?
So it's indigo blue, which is a late model Dodge color. Very, very pretty color. Looks really good out in the sun. Appreciate Jake letting us do the car. We did a complete build from suspension to interior and all. We did custom interior. My guys at the shop really knocked it out. Matt and Bradley and Ronnie and Tommy and CJ. Those guys really put a lot of work and effort into it, and really proud of what they did. They did a good job.
I think it turned out good. What about interior?
So yeah, we custom built the interior. We used Challenger seats, front and rear. We had to cut the rear seat back in the middle to do a custom console down the middle of it. Alcantara headliner, Alcantara on the door panels and the seat inserts. So,
Yeah, no, I think it turned out really well. What about wheels and tires?
So we've got INQ wheels on it, 18-inch all the way around, and 315s on the back. Had to mini tug the car to get the tires in the back. And it's got 275s on the front. It's a pretty big front tire for that car, but it works real well with that suspension.
Well, what's the plan, to show it or drive it? Or?
No, it's built for a driver. This is Jake's car that he owned since he was 16. He's 41 now. He bought the car, had the car as his first one at 16, drove it to high school, and pulled it in and took it apart shortly thereafter, and then here we are, 20 years later, and finally got it put back together for him.
I think he sold it in there and got it back at some point, so we're not going to blame him for the whole 20 years.
No,
but
he sold it and then wound up getting it back.
Yeah.
So he contacted me a couple of years ago and asked me if I'd help him just stick a HEMI in it. And then that just kind of snowballed into what we've got today. So.
That's what I told him. I said most Riddler cars start out as a wheel change and maybe a paint job. And next thing, 2 million later, here we go.
Exactly.
Eugene, always a pleasure to spend time with you. You have any kind of social media going on or things people want to follow you?
Eugene Brazel Motorsports on Facebook. We've got a webpage. It's ebmotorsports.com. I think that's about all we got right now.
I got you.
But, follow ScottieDTV. That's the best one to be on.
I appreciate
that.
Channel.
I appreciate you inviting us down, Scotty. You're the best, man.
No, thank you so much. And now it's time to go back to work and bring something back next year.
You got that right.
Thank you, brother. So there you go, from the 2025 Pigeon Forge Rod Run, ScottieDTV Dirty Dozen, and Eugene Brazel Motorsports. A very cool 1973 Dodge Dart. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.